Alright, going out now, 392115. We are here today. It's not quite a cold, rainy night, but it could debate it being a cold and rainy day. Here it's 392115, still with its nameplate despite being blank. Three 392115, Allison. Also still has that wrote on the front. So yeah, not too bad. Now a blank. Oh, and still has a Virgin Trains logo on the front, so that's interesting. So yeah, I have been here before, albeit only very briefly. We was here coming home from Tamworth. We had to make a change here at Stoke. So this is the first time that we're really doing a full session here. And it reminds me of the station that I did my first ever trains at. A little station up in Yorkshire, Filey. Probably because of the roof, let's be honest. But even then, this platform aside, it's like an electric Filey. But yeah, we're here today in Stoke-on-Trent. We're in now, 220.031. I've just recorded this announcement, so yeah. Going out now, 220.031, bound for Bournemouth. Next stop for that is Stafford. So this should be 390.001, and it is indeed. Now blank. Still has its nameplate though. Stop like that then. Probably because the announcement was on and I probably thought I was recording it. Well, it could appear on the channel, why not? So yeah, that's that. And this is this, 350.121. Bound for Crewe. Alright, going out now is the 1213 service to Crewe. Calling next at Kids Grove, then at Alsager and then Crewe. Going on a long way back from Euston. Where at New Street, it joins us to Rugeley.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 12:20 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Macclesfield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
Coming in now, to cross-country bound from Manchester Piccadilly. It is a class 221, of course the 5 inches thing is still a thing. 221138. Off out now, 221138 for Manchester Piccadilly. Next stop is to be Macclesfield.
of 9 Mansfield, Stockport, and
So we'll manage a Virgin Trains livery.
This train is full of 9 coaches.
I'd got to think at this point whether I was going to see one or not. We have managed one. Still in VT livery. Ahead of transfer to Avanti 390046. Going out now, 390046, still in VT livery. Ahead of the transfer to Avanti. Another thing that I didn't know, well, I didn't point out, the new triangle on the logo. That represents London, Scotland and Wales. Fun fact. Anyway, 390046, home for Manchester Piccadilly. As they all do from here. Yep, we obviously did just have to throw this away to record the announcement. It announced it while it was coming in. It's at 12:31. I don't know. I could have sworn it did. Caught out there. Anyway, this is off to London Euston, and it's that every lamppost known to man service. Calls absolutely everywhere, this thing. Off out now, and yes, we are going to film it this time. 350-259. Next stop for that will be Stone. Here's the go. Got the announcement on this one, so we're sorted. It's on the 12:35 service to Crewe. Going at Longport, Kidsgrove, Alsager and Crewe. Off out now is 153355 bound for Crewe.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 12:33 Eastern Railway service to Derby. Calling at Longton, Lyre Bridge, Uttoxeter, Tutbury and Hatton, and Derby. This train is full of 1 coach.
There we go, 153374, bound for Derby. Apparently there's also such thing as Barbados. You know Scarbados, but do you know Barbados? 153374. One 53374 now departing for Derby. Go to Derby via Uttoxeter. Next stop for this now will be Longton.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 12:44 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Macclesfield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Service to Exeter St David's via Birmingham New Street, calling at Stafford, Wolverhampton.
Alright, so that is all for today. going to jump on this cross country, I think. Never mind. Just missed an Exeter St David's announcement though. Anyway, a cold, rainy night in Stoke. About to come to an end. Yeah, brilliant session. We call it variety. I mean, Virgin Trains, cross country, Northern, East Midlands Railway and London North Western. We call it variety.
Via Birmingham New Street, Fulham, Stafford, Wolverhampton, Birmingham New Street, Cheltenham Spa, Bristol Parkway, Bristol Central Leeds, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway, and Exeter St David's. This train is calling on the 4.
It sure is. 220.029, I think it was. Yep, 220.029. Almost a palindrome, would have needed 220.022. I think I explained before, but palindrome is basically the same backwards as it is forwards. So 220.022 backwards would be 220.022. Or, I know it doesn't exist, but 323.323 would be 323.323 backwards, even though it doesn't exist. So I'm going to jump on this next service now, and we are going to end it here at Stoke-on-Trent. I'm not going to count out coming back here before the end of VT. So, I mean, I'm classing this as VT send-off too, but I think we'll come here one more time. I like it here. This is a good station. 323.227, it did arrive before, caught me off guard. This is it for today now. We are going to jump this back to Piccadilly, jump on this, and yeah, from Stoke-on-Trent, a cold rainy day in Stoke. It's not even that cold to be honest. North West train spot 390. Ow.